Some with powers, some you should push, some with radicals, but it's all similar. Okay? Yep, go ahead. Let's start part C. I wanna push this a little. Okay, you start part C. What do you get? Again, which one is a U?
Lower part.
Yeah. Which one is a U?
The one with the radical?
The one in the base of the radical. So the radical should be taken all, but usually inside the radical is my U. U equal x minus 4. So du equal dx or dx equal du. We usually say dx equal du over the derivative, which is 1. Now, upon replacing, this is a scenario, tricky scenario. You replace the hardest scenario because upon replacing, x would stay. Okay, dx is du over 1. So there's no simplification for the x. How it comes? Minus 4 out. Integral. Now, the x stays and the radical u stays. How it comes? It should be all in u. So you go up, you find x. This is the scenario. So don't be surprised. That is the worst scenario. You find x back, kick x, you get u plus 4. And you plug it in, u plus 4. That's it. Now you have all the integral in u. Any question? It's not done yet, but I want to continue. So what do? You simplify. You have two ways to simplify. Either you break your fraction if you have a plus b over c, so it will say it is a over c, b over c, or you push radical u up and you multiply. What do you prefer, push or split?
Split is better.
Split? Okay. So you like, you do yoga, you do split, 90 degrees. Okay, minus 4, open bracket, because the integral means a bracket when it is, so no more, still we have an integral. Push the radical u up. You said you want to split. Okay, so I split u over plus 4 over. This is the way we split it. And then not yet we can integrate because I should simplify these. I cannot apply any integral rule. Okay. In your course, you have 3 rules. So what are these? Integral of the e is an e. Integral of x power you add, you divide. Integral of 1 over x is a lump. That's it. So that is none of the above. You wanna simplify more. This is u over u power half. And that would be u power half back. Any question? And that radical u is u power half. You push it up, you get plus 4 u power minus half. Okay, so I'm making it ready to integrate. Now you can integrate. If you integrate, you add a 1, you divide by. So this is u 3 over 2. You divide by 3 over 2, then that will flip. Now it is online, so there's no worry about simplification. You can keep it that way, but be careful. The answer at the box that you want to fill in should be simplified so that you worry about. That 3 over 2 is not good because you should flip it. It becomes 2/3. Any question? Okay, right here, plus 4. You add a 1 to this because integration, you add a 1. Okay, you get a half divided by half, so the 2 flips. It becomes 2 over 1. So what do I get? I get an 8. You agree? Any question? Why is it an 8? Okay, and that's it. I don't have boundaries. Okay. But when I get back to x, you get back to x. So all you have to do, just plug in an x instead of the u. How much is u? X minus 4. So 2/3 x minus 4, this plus 8. Instead of the u, I'm getting back to x minus 4 power half. That's it. And plus c, you don't miss it. Any question? I mean, you are practicing hardest scenarios, right? Okay. So this is the splitting scenario. Good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now we are done with C. We jump to D. Again, what is U? They are all applications on U. Because if it is not let u scenario, it would be direct or simplification by splitting. So this is u to be how much? Let u equals the base of the power